A carbide burr tool is highly effective for surface blending because it allows technicians and fabricators to seamlessly smooth transitions between welded, machined, and repaired surfaces, creating a uniform and visually consistent finish. In many metalworking applications, components are made up of multiple processes and materials, such as welded joints, CNC machined sections, and manually repaired areas that often do not naturally align in surface height or texture. These differences can create visible ridges, uneven transitions, or abrupt changes in contour that not only affect appearance, but can also interfere with function. A carbide burr tool, mounted on a die grinder, enables controlled material removal, so these variations can be gradually leveled and blended into a continuous surface without removing excessive material from the base component. In surface blending work, a carbide burr tool is especially valuable for eliminating the harsh transitions that occur at weld seams or repair zones. Welded areas often sit slightly higher than surrounding metal due to bead buildup, while machined surfaces are typically smoother and more uniform. The carbide burr tool allows the operator to carefully reduce these high spots and feather the edges between different surface regions, creating a gradual transition rather than a sharp step. This process is critical in applications where both function and appearance matter, such as automotive fabrication, industrial equipment repair, architectural metalwork, and custom manufacturing. A well-blended surface not only looks more professional, but also reduces stress concentrations that can form at abrupt geometric changes. A carbide burr tool is also useful for refining repaired areas where metal has been filled, welded, or reshaped during restoration. These repair zones often have slight inconsistencies in texture or elevation compared to the original material.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.